Yes, write that in the notebook. Now board is clear, voice is clear. Now let us start. Board is clear? Okay. Ha. Ha. Now it is clear. No, wait. Yes. See. Yes. See here. Yes. You write. I am just explaining. You write and listen. I am explaining to everyone. There are two type of brackets. Normal bracket. We write in this way, or this is square bracket. Square bracket and this bracket are known as normal bracket. Round bracket or square bracket are normal bracket. And yes, and writing two vertical lines. Good morning. Writing the number between two underline. Writing the number between two. Wait, before we start. Right. When we write two vertical line, it is known as absolute value bracket. Write this. Absolute value bracket, or we write modulus bracket. Or modulus bracket. Absolute value bracket. Write both this. Whether you say absolute value bracket, one. Even if you write one absolute value, no problem. Whether you say absolute value bracket or modulus bracket, it is, we write the integer between two vertical lines. Two vertical lines denote absolute value bracket. Yes. Yes, okay, no problem. But you remember that absolute value bracket is known as modulus bracket. Absolute value bracket is known as modulus bracket. That you remember. Absolute value bracket is known as modulus bracket. That you remember. So you should be able to identify the bracket. These two are normal bracket. Round bracket and square bracket are normal bracket. And two vertical line is absolute value bracket or normal modulus bracket. Now let us solve the problem based on this. 7th. It is normal bracket and absolute value bracket. Let us solve. Let us solve. Yes. Now let us solve 7. Yes, no discussion. Let us solve 7. 7. Write the value of. Yes, mute the microphone. Write the value of absolute value bracket. We write the integer between two vertical lines. When we write the integer between two vertical lines, it is known as absolute value bracket. A is absolute value of minus 29. Absolute value of minus 29. See, whenever we have normal bracket, see, let me make you understand first. Suppose we have normal bracket minus 5, then normal bracket of minus 5 value will be minus. No. Don't write. That I am making you, for your understanding, I am explaining. Don't write this. Normal bracket of minus 5, the value is minus 5. But whenever we have absolute value of minus 5, it will be always plus sign. It will be always plus sign. So 5 only. So normal bracket of minus 5. Yes. So it will be absolute value of any integer will be always yes. So now this is wait, absolute value of minus 29 will be plus 29 or 29. So whether it is minus, integer is minus, whether no. See here, whether it is minus sign inside, whether it yes. Now a whether integer is minus, you're right. Now this is minus of minus, absolute value of minus 5. See, absolute value of minus 5, whether integer is negative or positive, its absolute value will be always positive. So minus of minus 5, this we write minus, what is absolute value of minus 5? What is this value? What is this value? This value will be 5. So answer is minus 5. Who is not muting the say who is not muting the microphone? Lot of echo problem is there. Please mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Lot of disturbance are coming. Right. There is no request to me. No need of circle. I just explained. No need of circle. Ask the doubt. Yes. See, this minus sign is outside. Outside sign we write as it is. Outside sign we write as it is, but absolute value of minus 5, I will write plus 5. So minus sign is as it is. Ask. Wait, you worry for yourself. Absolute value of 73. Absolute value of 73 is 73. Absolute value of negative number and positive number is always positive number, whether it is negative also. Absolute value will be positive. Minus 29 plus 73 is 73. So whether it is negative or positive, yes, yes, minus, because outside sign will keep as it is. Outside bit does not change. Only we change the sign inside modulus. It is minus inside, so I will write plus. It is minus inside, I will write plus 5, but outside it is minus, so minus I will write minus 5. Now D, wait. D mod of 0 will be 0. Then E 9 plus mod of minus 5. Now don't write anything. Let me explain this part. 9 plus mod of minus 5. So this we write 9 plus. Now what is mod of minus 5? 5. Mod of minus 5 will be 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. This only. Yes, answer is 14. Yes. Which part? See here, it is absolute value bracket. Mute the microphone, all of you. Absolute value of negative number is positive number. So minus 29, absolute value of minus 29 will be plus 29. Now this is outside. See, no. This outside sign we keep as it is. Then only this absolute value of minus 5 becomes plus 5. So minus sign is already there. Yes. Plus 5. Yes. Plus 5. Okay. Which part? Wait. Even I am explaining. 9 plus. Now this is our absolute value bracket. This bracket you see. You are not seeing this bracket. Vertical line means absolute value bracket. So 9 plus, now absolute value of minus 5 is plus 5. This minus sign becomes plus sign. So absolute value of minus 5 is plus 5. Then 9 plus 5 is 14. Answer is plus 14. Now E, F, wait. Which one? D. Absolute value of 0 is 0 because 0 is neither positive nor negative. Plus, see, yeah, you have to write the same number but always with plus sign. You have to write the same number with plus sign. Plus sign means yes, no problem. You can write plus 14, no problem. No sign means plus sign. No sign means plus sign, remember. Yes, mute the microphone. See here. No sign means plus sign. No sign means plus sign. Now F, 9 minus 4. Absolute value of F. Absolute value of 9 minus 4. Now this bracket you identify. This bracket is absolute value. Now first we simplify the bracket. 9 minus 4 is 5. Absolute value of 5 will be 5. Absolute value of 5 is 5. Yes, right. Yes, you have to simplify the bracket part. 9 minus 4 is 5. Absolute value of 5 is 5. You have to simplify first. That modulus bracket you have to simplify. 9 minus 4 is 5. Then absolute value of 5 is 5. Because when you simplify this, what is 9 minus 4? 9 minus 4 is 5. And modulus bracket is as it is. Inside 9 minus 4, 5. Yes, ask. Yes, ask no. Yes, I am listening. You ask no question. Right. Underline करो या नहीं करो, does not matter. That is the answer. Now F, G. Yes. Today action will be taken. You see. F1. 9 minus 4, 5, and I have told you, you see whether it is normal bracket or absolute value bracket. Absolute value bracket means 2 vertical line. 2 vertical line means absolute value bracket. an absolute value of negative integer minus sign or plus sign is always plus sign. Whether it is negative sign or plus sign, absolute value will be always plus sign. So absolute value of phi is phi. Now G will write 10 minus 10 minus 10 minus absolute value of minus 6. Okay. So this we write 10 minus as it is. What is absolute value of minus 6? This part we simplify. Yes, 10 minus we write as it is. What is absolute value? First we simplify this. Absolute value of see, you have to write in between. Stop the habit of disturbing. What I am saying, that you follow. Every time you keep on saying, then it will be very difficult. Board is very much clear. Yes. Now 10 minus absolute value of minus 6. What is absolute value of minus 6? Inside absolute value minus 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. Answer is 4. Yes. You have to write H. Let me write H part. H. No, H I am solving. H. Absolute value of minus 5. Absolute value of minus 5. Absolute value of minus 7. Yes, who is creating disturbance? G1. Okay. Yes. See. Wait. 10 minus. 10 minus absolute value of minus 6 is 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 is the answer. Yes. First all of you stop talking to each other. Mute the microphone. Absolute value of minus 5. Absolute value of minus 5 will be plus 5. Plus absolute value of minus 7 is 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 is the answer. Then you write H. Write H. Yes. See, today whoever are there in the discussion, everybody not to be discuss anything when the period is going on. You have to listen quietly. If there is doubt, you can ask one by one. So H I am explaining. You are not allowing me to speak. How you will understand? H is absolute value of minus 5. What is your name? Whoever are having doubt, first you. Wait. This is absolute value of minus 5 plus absolute value of minus 7. Absolute value of minus 5 is plus 5. Absolute value of minus 7 is plus 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. Yes. Yes. If it is minus sign, I will write minus sign. 5 minus 7. Yes. Ask the doubt. No, you have to write the answer. You have to write the answer. Now write this answer. Minus 5, absolute value of minus 5 is plus 5, absolute value of minus 7 is plus 7. 5 plus 7 is plus 12. Absolute value of answer. Absolute value of negative integer is also plus sign. Whether it is negative integer minus sign or positive integer plus sign, absolute value will be always with plus sign. Yes, mute the microphone. Now you write addition table. Addition table, right? Right. Addition table. Addition table. Addition table, right? Addition table. Now we write addition table. We make the columns. We make the column. Wait, 3 columns we make. We make the column. Yes. Then make 4 columns. Make four columns. Then first column we write sign. Sign. Then we write sign. Then we write result. Sign, result. And yes. Wait. Why there is? Right. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Yes, mute the. Yes. Wait. Who's? Wait. Sign. Then we write plus. Plus sign common. We write plus. Now plus sign. Wait. Plus sign. Plus and plus sign. We write result is add. Wait. Plus sign we add. Plus sign we add and we take plus sign. Wait. Nobody will take. Today I will check the chat box and take the appropriate action. Definitely today. Plus. Then plus minus sign. Plus minus sign. We write add and take minus sign. We add and take minus sign common. So how? Minus and minus we write minus. Plus and plus we write no. Plus and plus we write plus. Minus and minus we write minus and we add. Yes. So even if it is plus sign, whenever it is minus, we add the number, but we take their common sign minus. Now next is minus, next is plus. Wait. Next is plus and minus, and then we write minus and we write plus. See here, minus and plus in both this case, in these two case, I will subtract and take sign of bigger number. Take sign of bigger number. Subtract and take sign of bigger number. So what the rule says, plus plus, plus plus means same sign. Minus minus means same sign. So what the rule says, we write, below this we write first point, same sign, same signs we add and take, below this table, same signs we add and take their common sign, and take the common sign. Same sign we add and take the common sign. Second point, opposite sign. Opposite means different. Opposite means different sign. Opposite means different sign. We subtract different sign. We subtract. Same sign we add, opposite sign we subtract, and take the sign of bigger number. And take the sign of bigger number. And take the sign of bigger number. So this you have to remember. Same sign add, opposite sign subtract. Same sign add, opposite sign subtract. Write this. Below this table you will write. Same signs we add and take the common sign. Opposite sign we subtract and take the sign of bigger number. Same sign we write 1 2, and after this I will explain. Same sign we add, opposite sign we subtract. Same sign we add. This table is over. Same sign we add. Right. Same sign add. Same sign add, opposite sign subtract. This you have to remember. Same sign plus plus, same sign add, minus minus, same sign add, plus minus, opposite sign subtract, minus plus, opposite sign subtract. So same sign we add, plus plus we add, minus minus. No, wait. 5 minutes are there. Why you want to leave? Wait for 5 minutes. Plus plus we add, minus minus we add, plus minus we subtract, minus plus we subtract. Same sign add. Same sign. You have to write fast. No. Let me explain this. This part you will not write. This I am writing for your understanding. Nobody will write this. This you have to just pay attention. For example, 3. No. 3 plus 5. Then minus 3. Plus minus 5. Wait. Then don't try. Then plus 3 minus 5. Then minus 3 plus 5. Now let us see which part you will add and which part you will subtract. Nobody will write. See here. Nobody will write. See here. Only the rule which you have to remember is same sign we add, opposite sign we subtract. Same sign we add, opposite sign we subtract. Let us see the sign of 3. See here. No sign means it is plus sign. What is sign of 3? No sign means plus sign. What is sign of 3? Plus. What is sign of 5? Plus. So same sign. Same sign you will add. 3 plus 5 you will write 8. What about next part? This is the example. which you write, all of you write this example, no problem. Write this example. 3 plus 5, we write 8 because they are having same sign, plus plus. Plus plus means same sign. Same sign, we add the numbers. 3 plus 5 is 8 and the common sign is plus. What about next? Minus 3 and minus 5. Yes. What is sign of? No, wait. What is sign of 3? Minus. What is sign of 5? Minus. So minus minus same sign. Minus minus same sign. Yes, minus minus same sign. So we have to add the number. 3 plus 5 is 8. But what is the common sign? Minus minus common sign is minus. We write minus 8. Yes. Now let us see what is plus 3 and minus 5. What is? Yes. This is what I am explaining. No, try to understand. What is sign of 3? Minus. What is sign of? What is sign of 5? Minus. Sign of 3 is minus. Sign of 5 is minus. So both are having minus minus sign. Minus minus sign means that you do not consider. That you don't consider. Minus minus sign. Minus minus sign in addition. Minus plus minus is minus. So minus minus sign means same sign. So you have to add the number. 3 plus 5, 8. Then minus minus common sign will be minus. What about next? What about next? What is sign of 3? What is sign of 3? Plus. What is sign of 5? Minus. So they have opposite sign. Sign of 3 is plus, sign of 5 is minus. So they have opposite sign. No, not minus 8. Not minus 8. What is sign of 3? Plus. Sign of 5 minus. Opposite sign you have to subtract. No, not plus 8. Opposite sign. Wait. Opposite sign you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. So 5 minus 3 is 2. And which number is bigger? 5. What is sign of that? Minus. So answer will be minus 2. Answer will be minus 2. Opposite sign you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. So 5 minus 3 is 2. And take the sign of bigger number. Bigger number is 5. What is sign of that? Minus. So answer is minus 2. Let us take again. Minus 3 plus 5. 3 is having minus sign. 3 is having minus sign. 5 is having plus sign. So opposite sign. Opposite sign we subtract. Opposite sign we subtract smaller number from bigger number. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now which number is bigger? Which number is bigger? 5. Which number is bigger? 5. What is sign of that? Plus. So we write plus 2 or we write simply 2. We write simply plus 2. Yes. Now we stop here. Next time we'll see the exercise 2.2. Bye everybody. Bye everybody. This table all of you remember. Plus minus same sign, add, opposite sign, subtract. Bye everybody. Yes. Now we stop here. Okay. Bye. Very good. Today no homework is there.